Hello everyone. Welcome to all of you on my English channel Elite English Club. And today I brought for class 12 the enemy chapter from Vista's book chapter 4. So let's start. It is written by P.S. Buck, that is Pearl Sidon Stryker Buck, who is an American author, and she was born on 1892 and died on 1973. She was an American writer as well as novelist. She had a Chinese name, Sai Zhenzu, as she spent her childhood in China, being the daughter of missionaries. She was awarded the Pulitzer Prize in 1932 and the Nobel Prize in Literature in the year 1938. Now we will see the introduction of the chapter. It is about a Japanese surgeon whose name is Sadao. He studies in America and marries a Japanese girl. World War II broke during that time. All the doctors were under the obligation to go to the Japanese army. However, Sadao stayed back with an old general. As the old general was ailing, he was in need of Sadao. However, we learn that how an American Navy man finds his way in Sadao's life. As the soldier was not well, Sadao offers him medical help. Sadao was not willing to help the enemy, but he does. He also knows the danger he has got himself into by helping the enemy. Due to this, Sadao conspires to kill the soldier in his sleep. However, Sadao decides to save him because of his humanity and brotherhood. So this was the introduction. Now we will see summary of the chapter. The Enemy is written by Pearl Sidon Stryker Buck. It is about a Japanese surgeon, Sadao. He went to study in America and meets a Japanese girl, Hana. They have two children. There he marries her and brings her back to Japan to settle down. This was the time of World War II. Thus all the doctors were called upon to serve the Japanese army. However, they allowed Sadao to stay back. It was because he was tending to the old general who was on his deathbed. However, one night an incident changes his life. He encounters an American Navy man who is injured by a gunshot and dying. Although Sadao was in no mind to help the enemy, he takes in the young soldier and provides him with medical assistance. He keeps him at his house to avert any danger coming his way. However, he knew he has opened doors to danger by helping the enemy. His servants decide to leave Sadao too. As the days kept passing, the soldier was now beginning to gain his health back. Now that the soldier was no longer Sadao's patient, he decides to kill him off in his sleep. He informs the general of the American, and thus the general reciprocates. They decide to send private assassins to kill the American soldier. While waiting for the assassins, Sadao starts noticing it was delaying. However, during this course, humanity in Sadao arises. He realizes that he is a human being at the end of the day. He now recognizes the value of human life as well as universal brotherhood. Thus, this opens his mind, which was limited to race, boundaries, and wars. Finally, he comes to the conclusion that the American soldier is not his enemy just because he belongs to another country. Thus, he rises above his prejudices and does the right thing by helping the American soldier escape, thus saving his life. Now we learn how love and compassion can make us better human beings as opposed to prejudices and biases against other people with whom we do not share anything but the bond of human beings. So this was the chapter. Hope you like it. Keep watching. Do not forget, share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Till then, take care.